Good day everyone. So for today's video, I will going to select column from multiple tables without table alias and with table alias. Let's start do without table alias. Select TBL students, student number, TBL students, dot, last name, TBL students, dot, first name, TBL students, dot, college ID, TBL college, dot, college code, TBL students, dot, course ID, TBL course for course code, TBL students, dot, major ID, TBL major for major, from our tables, TBL students, TBL college, TBL course, and TBL major, where TBL students, dot, college ID is equal to TBL college, dot, college ID, and for our AND operator, same as the course, TBL course, dot, course ID is equal to TBL course, dot, course ID, and TBL students, dot, major ID is equal to TBL major, dot, major ID. So from this part, as you observe, our code or our declaration is we identify and specify which column or record came from each record. And now we're going to do the with table alias. So select the alias of TBL students is A dot student number, A dot last name, A dot first name, A dot college ID. Let's alias the TBL college for B dot college code, and A dot course ID, and the course ID alias is C dot course code, A dot major ID, and the alias of major is D from TBL students, the alias of A, TBL college, alias of B, TBL course, alias of C, and TBL major for alias D. For A dot college ID is equal to C for ID for college dot college ID, then AND operator. A dot course ID is equal to the alias of course is C course ID and A dot major ID, and the alias of major is TBL major is D dot major ID semicolon. So that's it. So from this video, it have different way of declaring but it's same output. This is now the end of my video. Thank you and God bless.